Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Optum financial account password, recovery guide step by step clearly. To reset your Optum financial account password, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Optum financial login page. Look for the Forgot Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Optum financial account. Double-check the email address for accuracy. After ensuring the email is correct, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Optum Financial. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the password reset link provided. Click on the password reset link. You will be taken to a new page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong and secure password that meets the required criteria. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click Reset Password. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Optum financial login page. Enter your email address and the new password to log in. You are now ready to access your account with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.